Enjoy. All right. Today, we're going after this. Yeah. The windstorm screwed up my thing. So we'll put that there. And we'll give this a try. Trying to get the water off the top. Okay, crazy thing about this plant, and the reason why we've been keeping it covered, let's come outside. If you notice, the fig tree has some sprouts and blooms. The weather has been so warm, but I don't know, what was it? A week ago? It sat at about, there's some more. Even on that one over there. We woke up to, 20, 22 degrees. Yeah, very cold. And it surely would have just devastated that plant. So we covered it. And we have a few other plants that have de-leafed but aren't budding, so we weren't too worried about it. But man, when it gets cold, it gets cold. I'm just gonna fold that up and put it away. By the way, we're getting 29 degrees on Saturday, so I'm gonna have to put that back up. I'll leave the white structure thing right there up and just throw the tarp over when the weather gets cold. Hey, you caught me while I was getting ready to make some dinner. But before I do that, gotta sharpen my knife. Got my trusty work sharp. Let's get down to it, shall we? There you go. Now I gotta go cut off the fat from my chicken. Hey, if you want a work sharp, use one of my links down below. Order yourself a work sharp. You can sharpen up all of your knives, including your kitchen knives. Very easy to use, very effective, and gets razor sharp. You might want to buy one. Use my link. It doesn't cost you any more, but it does help me out. Thank you. So this is like a 12 by 24 tarp. Way too big. This is actually a stake that you put a sprinkler in and you attach a hose to your hose bib at your house, and you can have a stake in the ground and a sprinkler, and you can kind of move it around, and it's a very stable stake. These things were 50 cents. I can't buy stakes for what I needed for here for less than that, so use a little bit of ingenuity. The stake worked fine, and need to find alternative methods to do things sometimes. I have a little smaller tarp in the tool shed. I might use it for the next frost time, just to keep the frost from accumulating on the... that thing was way too big. Okay, let's move on to taking care of the chickens a little bit. Why don't I set up the camera here at the chicken coop and you can watch them for a while. Okay, can you guys hear that? I'm going to turn up the bass so you can. It's coming from kind of southwest of me. That's SpaceX testing rockets. Okay, back to the chickens. Okay, we gotta go now. We'll see you later. Bye, babies. I know you want to come out again. See you later.